Welcome to our quick guide on the quality module in Parsimony. Today, we'll walk through how to manage and create a quality review. This is essential for ensuring that your products meet the highest standards. First, log into your Parsimony account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the quality module on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see multiple options like quality inspection, quality review, and nonconformance. For today, click on Quality Review to proceed. Now that we're in the Quality Review section, click the Add Quality Review button in the top right corner to create a new quality review. This opens a form where we can fill in the necessary details. Let's fill out the form step by step. First, in the Goal field, select the goal to be reviewed. Next, in the Review section, leave a review about a quality objective by clicking the pencil icon on the right side. Now, you can enter a review in the Description field. Last, change the status based on your final review. It can be open, passed, or failed. Ensure you clearly specify pass or fail standards for each criterion. This aids in maintaining a consistent quality check. Once all fields are filled in, review the information for accuracy. When you're satisfied, click on the Save button at the bottom right. This saves your review. And that's how you create and manage a quality review in Parsimony. Remember, maintaining high-quality standards is vital for any business. Thank you for watching.